Okay guys, welcome back. Today I'm gonna try that TikTok thing with the salmon and rice. They only have that, but I put lobster and asparagus. And then I didn't know which one of these to get. And then some sriracha. Let's see how this tastes. So I guess I was watching them go like that. Can I get out of it? They would cut it up. I seen it all over TikTok. And they put the, I don't have an avocado. That's only back there. Can you guys see that plate? I got this from Publix, but it's bad lighting. I'm gonna try it. Oh, okay. But I'm gonna try it. Let me try it without that because, oh my god, it's good. I wonder what does that do? It's good. Oh, that's why I like it. Mine is sweet onions. Oh my god, mine is so good. That is so good. I think that this is beyond good. The salmon, my sriracha, the rice, and you have that. Oh my god, that's so good. I got some garlic butter right here. And this is a lobster. I air fried it, a lobster tail. Hopefully I don't die. I don't use Old Bay. I don't buy Old Bay because I'm allergic to it. But I'm gonna have to take a Benadryl because I'm allergic to lobster too. It's so good. And then I put asparagus. So I had also went to Publix today and it fell. Like it fell in my house. But like in the container. But it got messed up and it's this sushi. If you go on Wednesdays, it's $5. It's just that eel sauce or whatever they be putting over here. It's so spicy. I'm so dumb. So I have had that thing because I eat sushi. I guess I can do how they did it. I seen somebody cut it up with scissors. I'm gonna just cut it down. It's so good. And this was my first time air frying my salmon. I air fried it at like 400 for like 20 minutes. But it is so good. I eat salmon, but I eat it with broccoli. I've never really ate it with rice. I'm just thinking, look at what I've been missing out on. It's so good. Sorry about the lighting. I'm gonna get a bigger ring light. This is so good. I did not think it was gonna be this good. I have more rice and more salmon. So back to the lobster tail. Some more of this. I didn't even bring no napkins. Yeah, this and the sriracha definitely like kicks it off. Yes. I've seen some people were using spicy mayonnaise.
This movie is so boring.
It's boring?
Yeah. This movie is so boring.
The kids are watching Disney movie, but she don't like it. It's the new Disney Plus movie. You don't like it?
I like to watch scary cartoons.
She wants to watch scary cartoons.
Yeah, the scary cartoons are on the TV.
I have to be so careful because she's allergic to this.
I'm not eating that. I'm not gonna die with that. I'm not eating that.
What did I get? The California roll. Spicy. No, it's not even spicy.
Mom.
Excuse me. Yeah. I'm definitely.
Mom.
Hold on, you can't grab that.
No. I want to. I didn't know. I put on scary cartoons.
No. Tonight, you're gonna watch the movie with the baby. What, your brother?
No.
Go,
No.
look, because now he's coming.
No.
This was so good. I definitely recommend you to try it.
Mom, I just want to watch scary cartoon. Mom, I want to watch scary cartoon.
Okay. I'm almost done with my video.
You're almost done with the video?
Mm-hmm.
I don't want you to eat that nasty food. My food.
This is really good. So, all of it is gone.
What's this piece?
Don't mind her here. So
Yeah.
this was so good.
Mom, look.
So I guess this one has more flavor. This would be the original. This one is just the roasted one.
Mom.
But
Mom, this can't match.
oh yeah, no.
This can't match, Mom.
It's okay. We'll go find the pants that'll match it. Yeah, and then this is so good.
Wait, with these
I'm
dots on
definitely
it,
gonna
Mom?
take this.
With these dots on it?
Yeah, go look in your clothing.
Is it in here? Is it in here?
Go look. I don't know. Well, that was really good. Anyways, like, comment, and subscribe. And regarding the giveaway, I'm gonna do it on the 1st of next month, and I'll announce the winner. But anyways, like, comment, subscribe.